sciatic nerve pain. I lost forward flexion and extension. This year in January I snapped my Achilles. So went through the recovery process. They put me in the cast, in the boot, took the boot off in May. I started having sciatic nerve pain. The 16 months just been in chronic pain constant. I remember that I signed up for the 5 days sciatic challenge from Dr. Chris. I have nothing to lose. I just try on me. The results from it was instant. My pain literally dropped 70% down straight away. And I was like, oh my God. Anna Jakubowska. I am a sport therapist, born in Poland, but I arrived to UK 2008. Fitness Passion by Anna is the main name. This is how people find me. I'm a personal trainer also. 16 months ago, I started having problem with my own back, sciatic nerve pain. I lost forward flexion and extension. This year in January, I ruptured my Achilles. They put me in the cast, in the boot, took the boot off in May. My all problems with my back, they just came back. So I started having sciatic nerve pain. The 16 months just been in chronic pain constant. Doing all the stuff what I was trained for, but it didn't work. Nothing was working of the methods what I knew. I remember that I signed up for the 5 days sciatic challenge from Dr. Chris. I have nothing to lose. I just try on me. The results from it was instant. My pain literally dropped 70% down straight away. And I was like, oh my God. So I messaged Dr. Chris on the Instagram. Didn't expect answer straight away, but he was on it. And I asked for some online training and how I can get to know more about it. And I was watching the videos and trying this technique on my clients, and I found that it's really working. Seeing people just get walked out of the room pain-free and feel that and go back to normal life and exercise. That was something what I really wanted to explore more. I found as I've been working with my clients, and especially as a personal trainer, yes, exercising work, but people don't want to exercise when they're in pain. Most of us, we want to get instant relief, especially when people have been in chronic pain for so long. I've been in chronic pain for 16 months, and I never realized how that was affecting my mental health, how I was feeling low. When you give people a smile back and you bring in that pain-free life, then they want to do stuff. Then they want to do the changes to maintain what you've been given. It's not going to be easy, and I can't fix everything and everyone, but just keep trying. I had a client who is from Romania. He had a back problem, and he was scheduled, they wanted to do surgery. He came over here and never been to the gym, but I said, when we do this part, you have to do the other part. So you have to do the exercise, you have to change your diet, we have to talk about everything else, because you have to help me, you have to help your body in the healing process. So it's all that all together, the metabolic part, the holistic part of it, and them to understand this is what they have to do. He listened, he followed, because we did try before, and he didn't want to go to the gym, he didn't want to change anything in his life, and now he follow, and I speak. But also because I applied the Adhesion Release Method to him, I gave him the instant relief. So I think so that has changed his mindset, because he said, I don't want to be in pain again. So this is why he follow what I asked him to do. The fact that it's just instant relief and people can feel it's working. I had a lady who, she messaged me like, this is the first time in 12 months when I could drive to my home without actually have a shooting pain down the leg. And that is amazing. Dr. Chris said, oh, it would be amazing if you just come one day for the training. And that was in May, thinking like, oh, I said to him, okay, one day. But then the more I was doing and then I was exploring this method, I said, no, I want to do now. So I booked the tickets to come here in September and train, because watching the videos is great, but it's not giving the quality of training. I was waiting for Dr. Chris, and he came and he gave me a hug. Oh, hi Anna, and it's like, and then I met the team, Casey and James and Kim, and they all been so welcome and just make me feel like I'm home. So that day, that was I wasn't thinking about staying to shadow, but Dr. Chris said, do you want to stay? And I said yes. And it was just amazing to see him working with how he works with the team, how he treats patients. I left feeling a bit like, oh my God, how I'm going to get my head around it. But then I talked for a moment with Dr. Chris, and he said to me like, you are here, and that is the most important thing. Whatever you do in the 6 months from now, that is important. And I said, okay. So I came back here feeling different. I feel like I'm a newbie, and that's fine. We all have to start somewhere. So far, it was one of the best decisions in my life.
If you'd like to see more about how we fix chronic pain at Barefoot Rehab in New Jersey and with Adhesion Release Methods across the world, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that we will be releasing each week.